So my name is Hannah Brown, and I'm going to be talking about the video presentation of my paper. And to start us out, you said that we should talk about and discuss our research sources and the conclusions you came to in your paper. So I had 3 sources, one of them being our textbook, another one being a peer-reviewed paper online, like you asked us to, and then the third one being a TED Talks video. I think the textbook was really helpful because it had a lot of information on adolescence, and it had a psychological perspective instead of my other sources, which just had normal perspectives. And then with the peer-reviewed article, that one was really helpful because I had other people reviewing it and giving their opinions on it besides me, and I think that's really smart to use in a paper because your opinion might not always be right. And then the third one, the TED Talks video, that one was really interesting because it talked more about the physical aspects of the brain instead of just the mental aspects that most people think in adolescence. And the conclusions that I came to in my paper is that most teenagers care about the way they look, and they care more about the way that others look. And the body has different changes during this time of adolescence, and I also made the conclusion that there are different parts of the brain that I never thought were possible. And the last conclusion I came to is that teenagers are more risk takers. They like to take risk, and it helps them learn how to navigate the world. My findings are important because people in adolescence will eventually read this, and then they will know how teenagers act during adolescence. And I think my findings are important because researchers may use my findings one day, or they might not use them, but they may find them interesting and helpful. I chose this particular topic because I'm currently in adolescence, and I'm curious about the way that teenagers think and all the changes that they go through, because I know they go through a lot of changes. It may benefit me in the future because one day I might have teenagers of my own, and I may need to learn how they act, or how they act. And if I can learn how they act, then I can be a better parent. And I think that's everything. Make sure you know how to... Yep. Thanks for watching.